Fuck it. Take my heart, don't break it. Run it through my bones. I was right there alone. Pop up. Bing, 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 bing. What the f... A little pop-up for a... Wow, Eli's first, huh? What's good, gang? What's good, gang? I wanted to hop on live to pour one out for the dollar index. Nothing's wrong with her. She's just dying. Ain't nothing wrong with her. She's just dying. If I didn't catch AUD JPY and USD JPY, there would be a problem. There would be a problem. Never misses the stream. Good. God bless. Like, bro, fucking wanted dollar and all this. I wanted this to cook, but I wanted to hop on here first to just discuss what happened today. I don't really know. Like, we could look at it. What am I eating? I'm eating literally ground beef and rice. Little pre-workout meal. Silky is in TRT, bro. I wanted to see dollar index take and trace down into the old gaps here with the volume imbalance as support, and on top of that, well, it's going to be dependent on what the daily closure is on Dixie, but like it's not looking hot. But like if you look at Euro, and like I mean, bro, like, I was sitting on bullish dollar for a minute. Like right now on Euro, I mean, I'm drawing it up to these highs here at 107.911. We'll see what happens next week, but AUD JPY paid me completely fine. I'm still holding this, running to the daily rejection block, or yeah, the daily rejection block here, and then I'm still in USD JPY long. I still think that this goes, and the weekly on Dixie literally came up to the top of the high of the bullish gap and then fell. I was surprised, honestly. Like, we closed off this gap. We closed off both daily gaps and the volume imbalance. We'll see what happens on the daily close. Let me and my boy Abdul. Can't be doing that, bro. If I let you guys, I'm gonna let any more for free. But I do these to compensate. Eli, bro, it's 4:20. Go to the gym. kick stream tonight. I'll do a trade. I mean, I'll do a pretty quick one. Like now. I had a bullish draw on AUD. And yens have been bearish. So, daily, we had price drop into discount of this daily dealing range. Daily internal range liquidity pool. And then SMT inside of that internal range. Hourly chart. Market maker bond model. 2 NFP highs. And then price literally just had accumulation inside of the old daily gap or the bearish gap. This was past Tuesday. My entry was resting here. I would have wanted, like, if you look closely, I didn't put this on the annotations, but I'll do it in the YouTube breakdown. These correlated lows are SMT with NZD JPY. If you look here, right here. And then price had a sweep, change in state of delivery, and then I entered off of the order block. Stop loss resting here. And then my take profit was here and here. I mean, pretty easy. It just looks exactly like all my other trades. Like, literally. It all looks the same. Ugh. Where did I put my, my stop loss was at this low. Right here at 101.821. I'm still holding it. I'm not letting go of it. Yeah, the ITL and the ITH is the big game changer. But tomorrow, I'm going to need to see what is going to happen for dollar. Like, we have 2 hours, 2.5 hours until this daily close. And it'll be me watching what happens with this gap. USD CAD looks like shit, honestly. Weekly looks horrible. Weekly inside candle. This was depressing. Low bear. Take my... Damn. Your eyes are heavy. You got a fire setup brewing? What is it? Let's cook. I'm streaming just for an hour here, and then I will be streaming tonight on Kick. What is this? TRX USDT? I mean, I don't really want to do anything crazy here. This was just like me talking about like price action today. I'll look at it right after this. Another one that I was looking at today that a lot of people caught in the group, and then also people caught on Twitter as well. But this was a good model. I personally closed it early because I didn't like the consolidation. And if we're bullish on Australian dollar, then anything that's XXX Australian dollar will be bearish. So I was looking at GA and EA, and I had multiple PD arrays marked off. I had the daily gap here and the daily gap here. And EA, given our strength out of Euro Pound, we pushed up into the higher fair value gap, created SMT with the internal range here, and then since we had the SMT inside of this gap and EA reached the higher one, we were able to drop down to our hourly chart and monitor price, and we had the delivery during our, what was this? We had delivery during London session for you guys. I wasn't awake for this, but we had SMT inside of this hourly gap when we closed off this hourly bullish gap. Price started consolidating, and I closed the trade here, honestly. Like, I closed it there, unfortunately, and I have my stop resting here, which sucks. Like, I think I did this. I saw the SMT at this high. Once I saw this down close candle close below this body, I entered like here, and I had like my stop loss like right there at the high that created the SMT, and then my TP would have been down here. But I'm an idiot and I closed it early because I'm stupid. Like, literally just closed break even and I fell asleep, and then I woke up and this happened. So it's whatever. It's whatever. You have to show me something crazy on Kick. It better be something decent. Yo, I want to play that game Geo Guessers on Kick tonight. Jay, you already know that I literally just I trade and I stream full time. That's literally it. Who's selling his course for $10,000? Who is selling their course for $10,000? What are you talking about? I'm trying to understand SMT. Look at my video on YouTube, bro. Yeah, EU and AU are strong. I mean, AUD strength. We're gonna expect higher prices. I mean, I would expect higher prices on Euro. Panda, I still need to look at that crypto coin for you. My win rate, it's in the 60s, low 70s, depending on which model that I'm looking at. The Forever model that I show you guys, it's at like 62 and a half. It's like 63. I have two models. One model you guys publicly see. That like everybody, like all the trades that I get tagged on Twitter, that I retweet, that's like the Forever model. Like literally all you need. Yeah. It's like that. But like incorporating the daily and the daily time frame and SMT. Dude, what was going on with Drake and cops going to his crib? Hold on. Where? What time is best? Well, yeah, Euro AUD. I mean, I would let maybe Euro AUD plays catch up. Oh, Eli, yeah, I know. What up, Big? Well, I was in the same channel on GVAUD. It was big news on GVA is important. I exited before too, Mario. I didn't want to sit through that. CSD after, and then like once price has a change in state of delivery, you enter off of the candle that sweeps liquidity and creates SMT. That's your high probability bullish order block or bearish order block. Yeah, I know, Greco. If you guys reverse engineer all of my trades, you won't need anything else. Like, literally nothing else. Like, a lot of the questions you guys have, I answer them in my videos. Bitcoin longs? Bro, I hope. Fucking Mara. I would love Bitcoin to go crazy. I need my bags to get pumped. What, a buzz cut? I don't know if I could do a buzz cut, bro. I love my hair. I need to keep rocking with fade. I wish my hair was straight. Like a buzz cut and a drop fade. Dollar is giving me eye cancer too. Can't lie. Alright, I'm looking now, Panda. Dude, fuck this dog shit with his earnings. What did it do? Okay. Where is it? You said TRX USDT. Oh, Tron? Idiot. Fucking retard. What, like monthly internal to external range move? Looks pretty good. Is that what you're long on? My Forex watch list? Sure. Indices, Forex futures, majors here, exotics, bonds, dollar, USD JPY, USD CAD, crypto, and my stocks. Yeah, no, Panda, I see it. It's clean. Which pairs am I watching right now? I mean, as of right now, I'm just watching for AUD JPY to continue into my anticipated draw on liquidity. Like, pushing and continuing to 103.451. And I'm watching USD JPY. But I think this is going to just consolidate until dollar finds some sort of idea or direction. Like, we have this gap here, say like the daily closes inside of it, and then like tomorrow we like low drop, maybe drop into this volume imbalance here, and then dude, I have no idea. This looks horrible. Am I watching AUD NZD? You should not trade that. Please don't. Don't trade AUD NZD. Use it as a strength indicator for Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Thoughts on Trump coin? I have no idea what Trump coin is, and if so, if I could buy it, I would put my entire life saving into it. That's not financial advice, but Trump 2024. Modern mullet. That is eye cancer. I apologize. Do you watch futures? Yes, I do. Bitcoin top down. Okay. I wanted to see Bitcoin move up, but like I don't have SMT inside of this weekly fair value gap. Same with ETH. Don't have that either. Like, we don't have any sort of SMT. There's nothing on the weekly. And there's nothing on the daily. I can't really do anything about this. Besides, I mean, the only SMT that there is here. Here, and then also here. But I would have wanted the SMT to occur at the higher time frame key level tag. That's what's in my model. Like, I need it to occur here, not here. So I'm not executing on it. This is where you need it to happen on your checklist. Internal range liquidity pool and SMT once we tag. And we don't have that, so fuck it. Oh, I appreciate you guys, though. I'm happy you guys are learning something. It's really good. It's really good to hear. Dude, I have no idea these meme coins. USD JPY to 160. Send it. Literally send it to the highs. If it goes to the highs, I'm gone. That's a big payday for the kid. You love Virginia. Still in Euro 80 short. No, I never was. I was in GA and I closed at break even like a dumbass. Problem is that Dixie already took out the Euro. Yeah, I saw that. People were sending me that on the futures chart. But regardless, the highs resting here is SMT with EU. Sniper, I got cooked. Sniper, am I cooked? I made 9K in AP history and then got... Wait, what? Oh, you made $9,000 in AP history and that got detention for not doing work and then made 11K in detention? You're not cooked, bro. You're a genius. And also, why the fuck are you in AP history, bro? You trying to be like the next George Washington? What are you learning about in advanced history? That might be like one of the most boring classes I think I've ever taken in college or school, like just school in general. History class. What the hell does that have to do? What do you do with that? Talk about Albert Einstein and whoever else invented the light bulb and shit. I'm like, what? What do you learn in history class? What's so important about that? Oh yeah. Maybe that's why I'm really bad at geography. Wait, that's not okay. You guys can clearly tell that I was an absolute idiot in school. Smart man. Can you explain how you analyze the long-term perspective? Bro, I don't know anything about... I literally couldn't tell you. If we pulled up that game GeoGuessers and you guys tried to see like what I would be guessing on countries based off of what it looks like on the scenic view, you would laugh at me. And I think it would be fucking hilarious. And I'm going to do it tonight. You guys are going to... It's going to be a show. Long-term perspective, it's literally just you're waiting for price to reach an internal range liquidity pool or an external range, like a fair value gap or an old high or a low, and then once price reaches that, you then drop to your aligned time frame, your hourly or the 4 hour, if there's SMT at the high run or the fair value gap tag. That's literally it. Matt, AUD, NZD. IRL, ERL, daily. You didn't play it? Nope, I did not, because I anticipated dollar strength, so I completely ignored it. Completely ignored it. But it's okay. Don't matter to me. Can you show how you do correct dealing rank? It does not have anything to do with advanced market structure. It's just your impulse high and lows. The ones that take out liquidity and have retracements after. Like this is like the dealing range, swing high, impulse, direct swing low. That takes out resting liquidity and then starts retracing after. So that's your dealing range. Weekly chart. Oh, also guys, before we move any further, do me a favor. I'm doing a webinar with Ralph and Nick Does Futures, and it is going to be on deciphering market direction. And I want you guys to all sign up. It's just a free class that we're going to be doing for everybody. So all of you guys should sign up to it. And I'm going to show you the link here. And I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to pin it here. It is going to be on Monday. So put your email into that, sign up, and it'll be very good. Talking about drawing liquidity, simplifying all pretty much bias, like daily bias, weekly bias, all that sort of stuff. I'm going to pin this. Sign up for the webinar. It'll be very, very knowledgeable. Bring notepads. You're preparing for an engineering math exam? That's crazy. Take it easy, Eli. I'll catch you tonight. Yeah, no, all of the sessions, well, at least if you sign up to the webinar, then if say you're not going to be available, the automated recording will be sent directly to your email. So even if you're not going to be available at that time, still sign up and you'll have it to watch whenever you have free time. It should be very helpful for you guys, I think. If you look at the daily chart, do you have to see yes, you need to see SMT on the daily, like I have here on AUDJPY. I saw SMT divergence on the daily chart, and then I dropped to my intermediate term perspective. Like, this is what you want to see, exactly this. And I'm longing the stronger asset based off of what the daily is telling me. And to top it off, this was a plus. It was in discount of the daily range. So this is literally step 1 and 2 that all you need to do moving forward. That's your very crucial things. And I'll go over that on the webinar. Like, you guys will see a countless amount of examples. Like, Nick will also give examples, and same with Ralph. How's my back? It's hurting still. Like, I have a pillow behind me. I have a massage gun. So I've been using this off and on. I just don't want to use it too much. I'm still going to the gym, so that's either going to hurt me or fix it. I'm hoping that it doesn't kill me. Can you use no, you cannot. I don't personally. Don't use redelivery balances on the opposing side of the curve. I just use the mitigation blocks. I use the up close candles if we're bullish, or down close candles if we're bearish as mitigation blocks. PD raise the form inside like I did here on USD or on AUDJPY. Yeah, I wonder why you're not seeing any Swiss franc pairs on my watch list or CAD JPY, because I don't want to get cancer. I think I would pass on that. Big time. When price goes from IRL to ERL, how do you know if price is going to respect ERL? SMT confirms it. That's all you need to know. SMT will confirm your direction. It confirms reversals and continuations. That's basically your clear depiction of when price will have a smart money reversal. Did I watch MMXM2's course? Yes. What time is the webinar in Australia? It will be at... it is... What the 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know what time that is in Australia. Not really sure. Can you just mention your checklist? My checklist? Oh, it's... Dude, hold on. Man, you guys don't watch any of my content, do you, huh? Y'all don't want to go through, like, my page and stuff? Literally, if you go on my Instagram right now, if you go on my Instagram, the second pinned reel that I have is my exact entry model checklist. The second pinned reel. Sent it right there. Y'all are characters. I have so much content on my gram. I need to make another video on the update of dollar index. Did I talk about USD CAD, about how I wanted to pour one out for the homeboy? Because I want to do that. Because as you can see, USD CAD is dead. USD CAD got killed, smoked down like a crack pipe. For exotics, EuroCAD, AUD, JPY, GPAUD. Did you take some others? I took EuroCAD, I took AUD, JPY, I took USD CAD, knocked out break even, USD JPY that I'm still in the long position, and that's it. And I took GBP AUD break even. I don't back test. I forward test. I don't like back testing. At least with me, like I swing trade. Like I don't look for intraday trades. Sign up to the webinar. Share the webinar link. I'm gonna have so many gems dropped into that. It's not even funny. Take my heart, don't break it. How much funding do I have? About 1.4. And then I usually go for like I trade 400K accounts on that I shoot for 2% profit a month, and then the rest is what I use for like higher percent risk. But usually like what I'm going for is at a minimum like 8,000 monthly net return. But I don't shoot for home runs. I just need to make sure that like my bills and everything is like paid. Scaling time is coming soon though. Dude, I'm not going through CAD JPY. There's no way. Bruh. How long have I been trading for? About 4.5 years. How do you swing trade futures? I don't trade futures props. I have like an account with ETF, but I do it with intraday trading, and I just basically trade with Nick Does Futures in our Discord. And I just like I'll do intraday trades based off of what he tells me. So I'm basically like I'm getting a signal. Why do you trade USD CAD instead of like EU and GU? Because I wanted to, because it looked good on the higher time frame. Do I use MMXM's new course? No. How do you trade all these pairs and now have the behaviors of all these pairs? Because I'm a genius. That's why. Not to toot my own toot. Because I'm just a genius. Damn, bro, where are my sunflower seeds at? GBP AUD was weaker than Euro AUD. I'm expecting a previous daily... Bro, I hope CAD JPY pays for all of your bills. I really do. But I know that it won't pay mine. Expecting previous daily low sweep, full closure of the daily fair value gap, and then long dollar. That would be cool. But right now, I don't know what this thing is doing. Also, like, why would price need to drop down to previous weekly low, though? The only reason why we would need to drop below previous weekly low is if we're literally flipping bearish. Honestly, like if we're bearish, then we'll take out previous weekly low. When you click on the link, when you click on the link sent by Sniper, if you look closer when you see this section. Oh, okay. Yeah. How long does it take to become profitable? That's not even an answer that I can give confident. I can't give any confident answer to that, because what I went through will be different to what you went through, or someone else in the chat, or whoever else in the chat. Like, no, you can't compare or put a timeline on becoming profitable, because everyone is different. But we all will go through the same struggles as a trader from beginning to profitable. It's just a matter of, like, how are you obtaining the knowledge? What steps are you legitimately doing to get to where you want to be at? And are you lying to yourself? Like, are you journaling every day? Are you tracking every single trade that you take? Do you have an entry model checklist? Are you being strict on that checklist? Or are you just looking for trades every single day because you want to make money? And I guarantee 90% of you are just trying to trade every single day because you want to make money, and that's why you're going to lose. And that's why your process to get to where you want to be is going to be longer than someone that has a system that still isn't profitable yet, but they're journaling every day. They're not trading every day. They're back testing. They're forward testing, and picking their shots carefully, because that's what you should be doing in the beginning. Because a lot of you guys lack patience, and when you're losing these accounts and challenges, it's all because you're losing because of the daily drawdown. Because that was for me, like, I was losing all of my challenges and all of my trades that I would take. It's because I was over trading every day. I would literally be like in and out of every single session. Asia, tried me in London and New York. If I didn't have any risk on the table, I thought that I was missing something. And then it humbled me. The market humbled me when I was damn near going broke because I ran through 30 to 40 challenge accounts. And then I had to sit back and be like, okay, I need to fucking relax and do something different with this, because I keep repeating the same thing over and over and over again, and I'm not making any changes. Falling in love with Asia session is fire. Please visit AUD SMT trade you took. I have a question. Did you mark off the SMT the swing was? Right there. And then there's SMT here too. That's awesome, brother. I'm happy you're watching them. Check UK oil monthly to Is there S&T? No. I think it's more of a sell model than a buy model. I think this drops, honestly, because none of this is SMT, so I'm assuming this is just a low resistance liquidity run down here. I think that this is literally just original consolidation for a sell model in the daily, and you already see this. There's SMT at the monthly highs resting here. And there's no SMT at the lows on the monthly. I'm more inclined to short oil than long it. I literally think this looks like just I think I'm being dead ass. I think that this goes to 66.71. I literally think that it's honestly not bad. I think that goes to the lows. Sorry to say, but that's what I think. Look at, man, you guys. I have to put that as a pin thing on my fucking. This is my chart colors. Hurry up before I close it. That's the up close 40% gray. This is the down close 69%. Don't ask why. This color here, whatever that is. Have you considered trading currency futures? No, I have not. Whenever you are capable of placing your trade and not fucking with it. What? I don't know what that means. I trade, put my stop loss and my take profit, set alerts at both, and then I fuck off from the charts. Bro, the discount and premium should... Oh my god. Discount and premium should we always be looking... Okay, you don't need to get discount and premium in every trade. You just want to be watching the reaction off of whenever price reaches an internal or an external range liquidity pool. And you watch it and see if SMT gets created at it. And if there's no SMT, then you wait more for a deeper retracement into premium or discount. I'm watching. Do you have any problem with rollover spreads? No, I have not. Only with day funded, and I lost 400K with them, so I don't have any problems anymore, so fuck them. You longed the weaker SMT? No, I did not. I longed the stronger one, brother. Oops, sorry to say. Can you break down USD JPY entry? Sure. Weekly, internal, external range move, 4-hour chart. And also the hourly is based off of here. SMT divergence with the dollar index. Price pushes up higher. Price creates a intermediate term low. This is the forever model. Sweep, short-term low run, SMT. Price closes above this down close candle that sweeps liquidity and then creates these change in state of delivery. Next candle at 10 a.m. comes down, tags it, and then price pushes up. My entry was literally here. Stop loss here. Draw to equilibrium of the range for literally $1 million billion. On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate having a mentor guide you? Having a mentor guide me, 1 million. You need to have a mentor. If you're trading without a mentor, I think that's really stupid. Someone needs to be holding your hand, telling you you're doing this wrong, and this wrong, and this right, and this right. So focus on what you're doing wrong and keep doing what you're doing right. Continue with that. Having somebody guide your way to profitability will speed up your process dramatically. Do you use AMD on the daily or weekly? Yes. Oil not good now. Maybe if prices goes higher than dealing range creates SMT. I would be looking to short oil. What advice can you give somebody struggling with psychology? You need to struggling with psychology, like I said, like finding a mentor is always that's step one. You need to build a checklist of what you're looking for, like what you should honestly have a list of like, I understand this very clearly, and I understand this very clearly, but I don't understand this. This is my biggest weak point, and then try and see if you could find like any sort of content to kind of build that weak point. And if it's like confidence in your model, then it's pretty much going to just come down to a factor of like you need more chart time. You need to be active and like journaling more. You need to gather more examples to make sure that like your confidence gets boosted and you're comfortable with seeing the same thing repeat itself over and over and over again. You need to be able to differentiate what is a high probability trading day, what is a low probability trading day. You need to be able to know like, okay, what's a good week out of the month, what's a bad week out of the month. There's like a whole bunch of different factors that go into this. Like, being honest with you, I think journaling every single day is a great step one, like you should have at least like for me like I have over 2 years of collected data of just every single month for 24 months of like I know which weeks out of the month are good for me, which days out of the weeks are good for me, and which months out of the year are good for me. And that's what you guys need to do. And like if you're like in the game and you've only been punting for like 6 months to a year, you're still early as fuck. Like you're so early. You need to have like you have to have like over like a year and a half, almost 2 years of just like skin in this to really like understand what's good and what works well for you and like what doesn't. Because once you have that amount of time in your back pocket, you're gonna then get the ball rolling in the proper direction. If I'm being honest with you. But I mean, dude, I rant and then I just get lost in the chat because so many people ask questions. Tyler, what's good, brother? Fuck. Do I turn on adjust contracts? Yes, I always have them turned on. Which legit prop firm would you go with for high capital? Use prop firm match, and you can literally just use prop firm match, and you can literally pick and choose how much capital you want per prop. Like you can go up to 300k. Like I use these because, bro, like since I'm in the States, I have to do and filter out. I can only trade prop firms that allow like C Trader, Match Trader, and all that sort of shit. And prop firm match allows me to do that. So I sent the link in there. Use that. You want to get 300k accounts. They offer there. Would you long the weaker pair? No, I would not. I only long the stronger pair. Sniper, do you agree that C-Bump is the ICT of bodybuilding? Abso-fucking-lutely. C-Bump is daddy. Do you wait for displacement like FVGs? I have been prioritizing like change in state of deliveries. Like liquidity sweep, CSD, enter off of the order block. That also creates the intermediate term lower, intermediate term high. That's literally all I do. Bro, 3 months, bro, of live set? Dude, I've been doing this for like literally a year and a half. You're smoking crack. I've been live trade. Actually, no, I've been live trading longer than that. I've been live trading doing retail concepts too, because I had a Discord through options trading like back in 2021. I had a Discord back then, and that was retail. And I was given like option alerts and shit. So, bro, I mean, like, give me like 5 years, I might go bald, but who knows? I hope if I do go bald, then I'm going to Turkey and I'm gonna fix my hairline and get surgery, or they shave your whole head and shit, and then they put like I don't even know what they do. C-Bum got it though. C-Bum is not the best. He is one of the best. Arnold will always be the best. I want to join your private Discord for learning. Please tell us more about it. So the private Discord, so my previous one, it's nothing like it. It's structured like as a mentorship, and there's classes every week that will consist of like more in-depth talks of like between me, Ralph, and Nick of our own like knowledge that we have, understanding of like reading and depicting the market. How do we do our weekly prep? How do we have our daily prep? Executions, stop loss placements, a lot of psychology, and then we have back testing sessions. Do it through FX Replay. We do that every week, and we have daily recaps every week. We go live 4 to 5 times a week as well, depending on what the news days are. And then it's just also a community. Like you guys have access to like multiple other trade recaps, other resources. It's kind of, you could look at it as like a university for trading, honestly. But everyone in there so far, I mean, it's been great. And everybody trades the same. And we just kind of build off of each other and like provide ideas. And so far it's been absolutely phenomenal. It's been an amazing time so far. And it's been 1 week. Hold on 1 second. I fucking Nick. Hold on. There wasn't any news on Monday where you entered on USD JPY. Can you explain why? Oh my god. I just broke my mug. So I entered off of USD JPY after I saw, this was on my actual, moving into the new week. The second that I see that we get, like, price gets into like these internal range liquidity pools, I immediately drop to our intermediate term perspective. So once we got into that price point, and this was on Friday, moving into Sunday and the reaction that we had off of it, the 4 hour gave us that change in state of delivery and like that shift in market structure. Yeah, no, that was bad. Like, there's shit all over my desk now. So we had no news until Thursday on USD, and price continued into our anticipated direction. And we were also like, price had this up close candle, traded down into it, the breaker block. If we go to the hourly, I was just monitoring after price had the 4 hour shift and looking at it in comparison to dollar, because what I wanted this entire fucking week, man, like I wanted the whole week for dollars to just continue and NFP to set the low. I mean, I'm still in the back of my mind, if I'm being honest with you, because like my full-blown bias flip will be bearish if dollar closes off this gap or even gets below the volume imbalance here. Like tomorrow, like if this candle in the next 2 hours closes inside us, I'll be okay. And then tomorrow, like if you wanted to take out Thursday's low and then tap the volume imbalance and then move up, sure. I really wanted NFP to set the low of the month, and that just didn't happen. But it's whatever. But USD JPY, we created the SMT divergence, had the ITL that created the SMT, liquidity purge, price had change in state of delivery on the hourly. So structure was aligning itself with the draw and liquidity, just like how I preach in that model, and then I just executed on the hourly chart, and then it just pushed. Wait. Yeah, no, there was SMT at the highs with the dollar index. There's so many questions. Dude, how many? I can't even read. I need help. Where's Nick? This was pretty much, the UJ trade was basically stacked with Ralph and Karan on Twitter signaling me. So they took it, so I took it too. My trade that stemmed from me based off of my analysis was AUD JPY, because this matches my model. Like, I was the one that wanted to trade this. My model, my trade, USD JPY was more so on their own confluence, and I just trusted them because they're good. When you have friends in a circle that have other models that trade and are profitable, just like how I have Ralph and Nick, and they tell me a signal for a trade, I will take it. So yeah. Would you? Yeah, no, I would not long the weaker pair. No, you don't need to enter swing trades. I only like swing trading. I hate intraday trading, but that's personal preference. You don't need to compare that to somebody else. Like, it's all matched. It's all based on your own personality. Like, you may not like swing trading because you're not comfortable holding positions overnight, but personally for me, I do. So my opinion would be different from yours. That's why, like, everybody has their own sort of view and opinion based off of their own trading style. That's why I always say this, like, in somebody's journey, when they're trying to get from point A to B, from non-profitable to profitable, it's going to be different for everyone. Like, your time frame will differentiate from myself to you. Man, the questions about this USD JPY trade. It was not my signal. It was not my signal. You took EJ longs, Freg? I saw a couple people take that too. Where did it go? Dude, yens have just been getting smoked. Is your TPs here, right? NFPIs? Because I'm literally holding AJ until fucking 103.455. I'm literally holding it to the moon. What's your thoughts on ECAD and GCAD? I think that ECAD can go higher. Because right now, look at this. Like, I have SMT inside of the daily bullish fair value gap. If we want to move higher, we potentially can do that. Like, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it moves higher. It looks pretty fucking good. Dude, literally there's a crack van outside my house right now. I think EC can go to 147.871. GBP is weak, so Euro is going to stay strong until said otherwise. I look huge, bro. I appreciate that. That's goated, actually. But I have body dysmorphia, so I think I'm small. I need to be bigger. Did I take silver? No, I did not. I hate silver and I hate gold. I only like owning silver and gold. I don't like trading it. I'll own it, but I won't trade it. Well, we got CAD news tomorrow too. Wait, the wisp. You guys can hear that, bro? I got construction workers outside of my crib. They're like building a house next door. Unless I don't know if that was whispering. Oh, that was whistling. Yeah. That's funny. That's really funny. Bro wants an edit. Oh man, this was so clean, man. A bunch of my people caught GBP AUD. That was funny. Can this thing go? Actually, I have shoulders today. I'll tell you my routine. Shoulders today. We got... Where's my shoulders? I'm gonna do... Also, gym hack, stop counting your reps. Literally just do your reps till failure. Set 1, dumbbell shoulder press. After dumbbell shoulder press, I'm going to do shrugs. Most likely dumbbell shrugs. Not barbell. I don't like barbell. It hurts my back. I get my workouts from Haney Rambod. C-Bum's coach. And then I'll do dumbbell lateral raises. And then after that, I'm going to do rope front raises for my delts, or front delt. I was going to do barbell or Smith machine upright rows, but I don't think that they're good. And then I need to do rear delt flies, but on a chest press machine. but sitting on the side and like pulling out like this. And then maybe I'll throw in arms at the end because I always do that. Yeah, bro. I was bearish today on NQ. My bias was wrong. Bro, I honestly thought that indices were so... Actually, this got me tight. I didn't get the entry. I wanted to get an entry on ES, but I couldn't. I had all these highs marked off. Like, we were literally stalking in the Discord because it was daily SMT with YM. This was SMT here. And then on the hourly for NQ lagged crazy. Like, this shit was ass. Like, so ass. Oh my god. Being NQ trader today would be fucking cancer. This was SMT with YM. And then I was looking at the reaction off of here on the M5. And you guys know the model. Where's equities? Equities open is here. We have the Judas swing lower, sweeping short-term lows. After we sweep short-term lows, we create the SMT divergence. And then price, you want to focus on this candle that sweeps the liquidity and creates SMT. Right here. This is your focus. And price never came down and tagged it. It didn't even tag the wick. But if you look at it, like, but I'm not going to drop to the M1. If you went to the M1 chart, like, I hate this. I never want to do it. But if you did this, this would have been your entry. So, like, the concept is fractal. And honestly, if you wanted to do, like, let's see it actually really quick. Was this? This would have been decent because, like, you guys know time frame alignment properly, right? So if you did this utilizing time frame alignment, I could have went like 4-hour chart, SMT, 15-minute chart, equities open. We drop into a discounted 15-minute fair value gap resting here. And then I could frame an M1 market maker model off of that 15-minute PD array right here, and I can go to the M1 and I could have done this. So, like, the whole thing is fractal, and this is why time frame alignment is crucial. Like, you could do 15-minute key level, M1 market maker model off of the 15-minute key level. And this is literally like the forever model entry that you could take. And you could see the reaction when price trades back into that order block that takes out liquidity. And then we have the change in state of delivery. It's slim. It's literally like no drawdown. Like, you're just in and then it goes. It's, like, you could even put the stop like below the body of it. And if you just held it to this first relative equal high, that's just 1 to 2. And then you could have been done. You're literally in that trade. You're in and out. Like, that's picture perfect. Like, there's absolute, like, that's so smooth. And if you held it even higher, that's 4.6%. Like, that is such a clean trade. But miss me trading the M1. Do I recommend trading the 30-second? Absolutely not. I'd rather watch paint dry. But yeah, okay. Before we go any further, that's all I really wanted to show and give you guys the input about my view on the dollar index and all that sort of stuff. I'm gonna be live again tonight on Kick, most likely towards like 9:30 time because I gotta go to the gym now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the session. If you have not already, sign up to the webinar. It'll be a great session. You'll learn a lot. It'll be on Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But if you guys are up tonight, I will drop the link for the Kick stream roughly about 30 minutes to an hour before when we run it together. But anyways, have a great rest of your night, guys. Be safe, and I will talk to you guys later on. Be safe, guys.